How to fix this action isn't allowed error on Android TV, YouTube. Then what you need to do is follow the steps. First, you need to power cycle your devices. Restart your Android TV, completely turn it off and turn on again. Or restart your router. Unplug your internet router for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Or the second step is to update the app and system software. Update the YouTube app on your Android TV, go to the App Store, find the YouTube app and check if an update is available. Check for TV firmware updates, navigate to your TV system settings and look for an option to check for and install any available firmware updates. Or you can restart the YouTube app. In your TV settings, go to the apps or applications, then select the YouTube or find the YouTube and select Force Stop. Clear the cache and data, go back to your YouTube app settings in your TV menu, then clear the cache to remove temporary files. If that doesn't work, then select Clear Data to reset the app to its default state. But this will require you to sign back in. Next, the last method is to consider a streaming device. Use an external device. If your Android TV is older, it might not receive the necessary updates for the YouTube app to function correctly. In this case, using an external streaming device like a Google Chromecast or an Amazon Fire Stick can provide a more stable and up-to-date YouTube experience. These were the solutions, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.